Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Tundra tailgate. First, gather your tools, including a socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your tailgate is fully open, giving you easy access to all the necessary parts. Don't forget to disconnect any electrical connections for your backup camera or lights before proceeding to the next step. Next, we'll focus on the support cables. You'll find two of these, one on each side of the tailgate. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry open the retaining clips that secure these cables. Once the clips are open, carefully detach both support cables from their mounting points on the tailgate. This step is crucial for freeing the tailgate. Now, let's move to the hinges. Look for the two lower hinge pins at the bottom of the tailgate. To make removal easier, lift the tailgate slightly upward. This action helps relieve any pressure on the hinge pins. With the pressure off, you can then carefully slide the entire tailgate straight off the lower hinge pins, preparing it for final removal. Finally, with the support cables and hinges disconnected, you are ready to remove the tailgate. Carefully lift the tailgate straight up and away from the truck. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you with this step to prevent any damage to the tailgate or potential injury. Store your tailgate in a safe, flat location to keep it protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.